A look beyond the new railings around the resource building revealed more work on the transformer area, including refitting a now painted cover. The arrival of benches for the south finger comes as no great surprise, given the pace of progress on the dock. Considerable care is taken in their placement. Beside the new terminal, preparations for the heated sidewalk are evident. Someone appears to be cleaning the pressure washer. Beside the boarding bridge, an unfinished area shows only marginal progress. In midweek, new lampposts are seen, but it's unclear just where they will be situated. Great attention has been paid to detail throughout the work, and it was possible to see checks on the level of the concrete slabs being conducted during the week. A notable event during the week was preparation of the flagpole, which will stand in the southwest corner. It was thirsty work this week. We might see the flagpole raised in the week ahead. The electricians never seem to run out of work. No doubt the arrival on Friday of a backup generator will give them more to do. The hard-working GIP crew found themselves at week's end laying topsoil on the western edge of the site. Friday morning saw a Clearwater Structures team arrive to seal the slabs on the north finger. It's a task that once again demands attention to detail. Across the way, on the south finger, an unusual and unidentified steel structure was being put together. Perhaps a roof for the new generator? Time will tell. We'll close watching passengers on the Wolfe Islander 4 enjoy the sunshine and with a look at the Royal Military College and Fort Henry. Thanks for watching, and please, if you enjoy these updates, consider subscribing. It really does help to know that there's support for them.